Hi, I'm Dr. Erin Olah from Timeless Skin Solutions. I'm the medical director at Timeless Skin Solutions, and we're here today to discuss Secret RF. It is our latest and greatest microneedling treatment that has radiofrequency based energy that comes through the needles as we do the treatment. It is an excellent treatment for overall improving the health and appearance of the skin. It works on fine lines, pore size, any acne scarring, and as well what we are seeing a great result in is an overall lift, a lift of the lower face, around the eyes, between the eyes, and along the jawline and neck. It is a series of 3 treatments, a month apart. We can treat full face, we can treat neck, we can treat chest, we can treat lower face and neck. We are seeing great results as well with stretch marks along the abdomen and legs. And again, series of 3 treatments a month apart. The best part about this treatment is there's really minimal downtime. Maybe 12 to 18 hours of redness and some texture changes for about 5 days after the treatment. And again, our patients are really, really enjoying this treatment because of the lack of downtime and, of course, the amazing results that we're seeing. Microneedling. Microneedling is basically the concept of microneedling is the scientific evidence behind microneedling is that those needles go into the skin, creating controlled holes or wounds in the skin, and then the body creates collagen in response to those holes, healing from the inside out. The heat that we see in the radiofrequency microneedling, that heat, that radiofrequency energy is generating heat that goes through the needles, either out the tip of the needles or throughout the entire needle, and that elicits even more of a greater response in those fibroblasts, those cells that make collagen, therefore giving us even greater result. We offer 2 treatments here at Timeless. We offer kind of our regular microneedling, which again is a great treatment. About the same downtime, maybe slightly more, a few more hours of redness. And then the Secret RF. So between the 2, we have regular microneedling and then the Secret RF, which again is microneedling with radiofrequency energy. The 2 treatments, again, a little more downtime with regular microneedling. The Secret RF takes a little bit more time and is a little bit of a higher price point just because the needles are gold tipped and it's a longer process. But between the 2, both excellent treatments depending on what we're treating and something we could discuss with you either treatment at a consultation. Depending on the number of treatments that you're able to do to kind of obtain a result in what we're looking at, that would depend whether we would choose microneedling or Secret RF. So if we're looking at acne scarring, for example, treating acne scarring, for microneedling, they could take 4 to 6 treatments. For Secret RF, we will see great changes after a series of 3 treatments.
So Dr. Olah, we've got some questions from our viewers. We want to know how long is the Secret RF appointment? So from door to door, what should we expect?
We have you apply a numbing cream before you come to the appointment. For about an hour before the appointment, we have you apply the numbing cream. When you come in the door, our appointments are about 45 minutes long, potentially a little longer if we're doing face, neck, and chest, or if we're doing face, neck, chest, and the abdomen. Of course, more body surface areas will take a little longer.
So somebody would like to know what's the difference between insulated and non-insulated needles?
Wow, it's a great question. So the insulated needles are used to either further generate that heat lower, so that heat, rather than coming out throughout the entire needle, is coming out at the tip of the needle, further getting that heat lower, therefore creating a greater stimulation of collagen at a little bit lower level in the skin, therefore allowing a greater lift of the skin.
Okay, so you mentioned numbing cream, and do we get that from Timeless?
No, we generally send that into the pharmacy, and you apply that before you come in.
So does microneedling or the Secret RF hurt, or what should I expect in terms of a pain tolerance?
So the general microneedling with the numbing cream patients do great. With our Secret RF, we offer that you apply the numbing cream, and then we also will give you a pretty intense cooling fan that really makes the treatment very tolerable. So all of our patients get through the treatment just fine. They do great. We keep you talking the whole time. So both are very well tolerated treatments.
So once I do a Secret RF treatment, and you say that you suggested about a series of 3?
Yes.
How long will I start to see results after maybe my first treatment versus my 3rd treatment?
So after the first treatment, you will definitely see results. Overall, it's a 90-day process, so 90 days after each treatment. So if we're doing each of those treatments a month apart, those results are going to build on each other. So final results at about 3 months after that third treatment. But again, even after the first treatment, you'll see great results.
So are these permanent results, or will I have to continue to do secret RF 3 times a year or once a year, or how does that work?
It depends on really what we're treating for me to adequately answer that. But if we're working on, like, let's say acne scarring, then we should see a reduction of that scarring or a generalized improvement in the appearance of that scarring. And that appearance doesn't change, that remains. If we're just doing a general lifting, fine lines, pore size, unfortunately we have the aging process that continues, so we have to kind of recommend, in that case we will recommend a kind of a maintenance treatment every 6 to 12 months.
Okay. And I know you mentioned downtime, but could you tell me again, what is the downtime with the secret RF treatment?
Downtime is about 12 to 18 hours at the most, of maybe some redness, and then after that you will have a texture change in the skin that you will notice for about 5 days. Something that maybe somebody would see if they got up very close to your skin, and you would be able to notice it and feel it, but nothing that would prohibit you from going out.
So is there any type of skincare products that I should use with secret RF or that might give me a better benefit?
We recommend using 2 different products. The first being Recovery. It's a product by SkinMedica that has growth factors in it. We see just an overall improvement in healing time, recovery time, as well as the overall results when we use that product. As well as we recommend a product called HA5, which is hyaluronic acid hydrator. It's also a product by SkinMedica. The reason for that is, again, just improvement in recovery time as well as results.
Okay, so we've got somebody who's asking, they've done microneedling in the past and they're thinking about stepping up to secret RF. The question is, they kind of want to know, why would they change from just doing a standard microneedling treatment to doing something like secret RF?
You will see a greater results. Again, if we were working on a specific issue, we could be looking at 6 treatments of regular microneedling. If the patient's doing microneedling just for general anti-aging benefits and maintaining healthy skin, you're going to get even a greater result of that lifting, working on fine lines and pore size. If you love your microneedling treatments, you will even more be excited with the results of secret RF.
Okay, and then we have a question about, let me read this. So there's no downtime really is what you're saying, and then is there any kind of a risk associated with secret RF? Is there anything that I should, if I'm a patient, that I shouldn't do that would preclude me from getting the treatment?
If you have a risk of keloid scarring or a risk of having scars that turn darker, because we are creating a wound in the skin, we have to be cautious and ask some of those questions. So some of that might need to be answered in a consultation. But if you're somebody that has not done or has been told not to do regular microneedling in the past, then we would not want to pursue secret RF. So there are specific issues that we should discuss, and those are issues like kind of prominent scarring that you've done in the past, as well as if you have any issues with healing and certain medications that we might want to discuss. But really, in general, those issues are far and few between.
Okay, so I think we have a before and after of actually a staff member from Timeless that has had secret RF, and this is only one treatment, I understand?
This is one treatment, so this is one of our members, Pam. Some of you might have seen her. She's in our Dublin office. And again, this is one treatment. So one treatment of secret. And you can see with Pam a couple things: a beautiful lift along her jawline, along her nasolabial lines, as well as in her neck. You can see the neck appears tighter and less of that crepey skin. Also, if you look at the corners of her mouth, really those appear much improved, as well as, again, if you look along her jawline, you can see that beautiful lift that has been created. And again, this is with one treatment, so imagine what 2 more treatments would be doing.
So I would get the one treatment, and I would hopefully have results like Pam has had, and then with the second and the third, it would be a cumulative result?
Exactly, yes. And then again, since this is done as an anti-aging, it would be something that we would want to maintain, because we can't stop that aging process, of course. So we'd want to maintain these results every 6 to 12 months with secret.
So it would be one treatment then?
Yes, just one treatment, not another series of treatments, just one treatment.
So are there other treatments that I should pair with secret RF that would improve the results of what I'm getting? Because Pam looks phenomenal after just one treatment.
Exactly. Pam does lots of other things in our office, but The only treatment currently that we're pairing with Secret that we like to talk about them together is if we do IPL for any hyperpigmentation or sun damage. We don't, because Secret does not address that directly. Often we'll do the IPL as well as the Secret together so that we can address kind of all issues at one time.
Okay, so with Secret RF, is there anything that I should do to my skin before I were to come in an appointment besides the numbing cream that you would suggest for benefits?
No, that's the biggest thing is just the numbing cream.
Okay.
Someone is asking if you can zoom in a little bit on the photo. We can bring it a little bit closer.
So if I want to come in and make an appointment for Secret RF, what would be my process to do that with you? Because I'm really intrigued by
If you're new to Timeless, then we would want to see you as a consult. Our consult appointments are about 45 minutes long, and then we would, from that point, schedule the Secret appointment.
So what does the RF stand for?
Radio frequency energy. That's what's the heat. That's how the heat's being generated that goes through the needles.
So it almost kind of sounds like it's kind of remodeling from the inside out.
It is, yes, exactly. We are causing a breakdown in some of those, the fibroblasts, kind of waking up those cells that make the collagen, and then they are healing, creating that healing process from the inside out.
Okay. If you don't mind, Dr. Olah, would you just kind of step back through one more time? What is Secret RF? What can you expect in terms of the treatment, the length of the treatment, any side effects that might happen, and then results?
So as far as the treatment, we have you put on the numbing cream. An hour before the appointment, you come in for the appointment. We get you comfortable, cleanse your face. We do the treatment, and again during the treatment, we offer a cooling, very cold air that you are able to blow on your face, which makes the treatment very tolerable. As far as downtime, you're looking at about 12, at the most 12 to 18 hours of redness, and then maybe 5 days after that of some change in the texture of your skin.
So it sounds like it's a great treatment, relatively new. Is Timeless one of the few offices that carry it in Central Ohio?
I believe we are. We started with Secret a year ago, a little over a year ago, and we have had great. We're one of the first offices in Columbus to carry Secret. We have a lot of discussion with other offices throughout the country that carry Secret, and we have all kind of shared knowledge as this practice of Secret RF has grown. We were at a conference probably a year before it came out, and they were discussing the technology behind Secret in response to acne scarring, and we knew at that moment that this was definitely something we would want to bring into the practice, because it is truly a wonderful treatment for acne scarring as well. It's safe in all skin types, and that's what is so nice to be able to offer a treatment to all of our patients.
So it sounds like you can really customize for each patient's needs when they come in, whether it be face and neck, scarring. Is that correct?
That is very correct. Like I said, we are seeing wonderful results with stretch marks and overall tightening of the skin in any area. We are seeing great results with treating scars, again, any body surface area. We do a lot of scar treatment here at Timeless, and it is definitely wonderful to have this part of our treatment plan in some patients.
So we can call in, schedule a consultation, and we have 2 office locations, correct?
We do. We have an office in Dublin and an office here in New Albany.
Okay. So with Secret RF, there's a lot of other treatments that Timeless can offer, right?
Yes, Timeless. Here at Timeless Skin Solutions, we offer tons of treatments just to help maintain or achieve healthy skin. We offer different laser treatments that offer no downtime at all. We do all Botox and fillers, of course. We also do chemical peels. We do laser treatments for spider veins, facial veins, rosacea. And we do different treatments that just, again, to maintain healthy skin, such as a microdermabrasion, dermaplane, and regular microneedling as well. So we're happy to offer those to our patients.
Okay, Dr. Olah, thank you so much for taking time out of your day. I know you're incredibly busy, for educating us more on Secret RF and microneedling. We hope everybody comes and sees us at Timeless.
Yes, and we look forward to seeing everybody at Timeless for this great treatment. Thank you so much.